Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys what I normally do to my hair once I take down my protective hairstyle. If you guys have something interested, keep watching.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were.
I have some aloe vera gel in the bowl and I had some amla oil, and I'll go ahead and add castor oil. This is pure castor oil, and I'll go ahead and add my olive oil as well, and I will scoop some hair mayonnaise into the bowl. I will mix it together. Once I take down my protective hairstyle, I like to use like a light protein treatment, and this is what I'm using today, Vatika hair mayonnaise. It's a light protein treatment, it's not heavy at all, so I'm going to use it to treat my hair today. I'll show you guys the mayonnaise in a bit, just keep watching.
A year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of...
One thing I have noticed in my hair journey is that if I apply product on dry hair, the product doesn't penetrate, it doesn't work the way I want it. I don't satisfy with the product, so I started wetting my hair before I apply my treatment on my hair, and that is what I did. I just go ahead and wet my hair, and then I use t-shirt to remove the excess water. And this is the Vatika natural hair mayonnaise that I mixed earlier, and this product comes in two types. They are for weak hair and they are for frizzy, shiny, and something like that. I forgot. And the product is made with egg, olive oil, and some other stuff. It's a light protein treatment, and I've used about 5 jars of this product. It's tested and trusted. It's absolutely good. But the product said leave it on for 3 minutes before shampoo. That 3 minutes is marketing. It doesn't do the job in 3 minutes, but it does the job within 15 to 30 minutes. I'll just go ahead and apply my products.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were.
I will use this opportunity to answer the question that I got in my last hair video. The person asked that did I colored my hair black? No, I didn't color my hair black. I was blessed with black hair. Let me put it that way. God blessed me with black hair, with dark hair. That's it. I didn't do anything to make my hair dark. The only thing that I will say it enhance the darkness is amla oil. If you use amla oil in the right way, it darkens the hair. But I was blessed with dark natural hair. I hope I answered the question.
Ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Once I apply the product, I just cover it with shower cap, and then I'm going to use my heat cap, and I will sit under the heat for 30 minutes, nothing more than 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes, and then I'll come back to show you guys what my hair looks like. This is 30 minutes later, and my hair feels so amazing. My hair feels so soft. I don't even know how to explain it. My hair is soft, and at the same time it's warm from the heat cap. I don't even know how to explain it. And my hair is almost natural. The back is almost natural, remain the front. And at this point, I'm so excited. I'm super proud of myself, guys. I'll just go ahead and shampoo my hair, and I'm using Panting shampoo. I'm not falling, I'll push on. I'm done with the shampoo. I'll just go ahead and apply my deep conditioner, and I'm using Vatika natural moisturizing deep conditioner. I'll just remove the t-shirt now. I'll apply the product and I will cover it up with shower cap and wait for extra 30 minutes for the deep conditioner to do its work.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still no.
I'm going to moisturize and detangle my hair off camera today, and I'm using Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner and hair grease. I'll moisturize my hair, style my hair, come back here and show you guys my new hairstyle.
Nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes, and ain't no.
This is what my new hairstyle look like. I hope you guys like the hairstyle. I hope you guys like the video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot.